Welcome to Exam Sale. This script explains the syllabus for the VMware Professional Workspace 1 Exam 2019 and what you need to master to pass. Overview of the exam domains and weights. Administrative and operational tasks is 23%, installing, configuring, and setup is 21%, architecture and technologies is 17%, troubleshooting and repairing is 15%, VMware products and solutions is 12%, planning and designing is 7%, and performance tuning, optimization, and upgrades is 5%. Administrative and operational tasks is weighted at 23% and focuses on day-to-day management of devices, applications, and compliance within the Workspace 1 environment. This domain is medium difficulty and candidates should plan about 18 hours of study with scenario-based assessments. You will learn device enrollment for iOS, Android, and Windows 10, inventory operations, remote device commands like wipe and lock, enrollment restrictions, and monitoring enrollment success. Application lifecycle tasks are included, such as deploying public and internal apps, managing versions, using VPP and managed Play Store, and monitoring installation status across the fleet. Installing, configuring, and setup carries 21% and covers initial installation and infrastructure configuration for Workspace 1 UEM and access. This is a hard domain with about 20 hours of study time and both hands-on and conceptual assessments. You will learn to integrate directory services like AD and LDAP, configure system settings, SMTP and SMS services, and install the AirWatch Cloud Connector. The domain also covers Workspace 1 Access Connector setup, directory synchronization, hub services and intelligent hub configuration, authentication methods, and access policy definitions. Architecture and technologies represents 17% and focuses on the core architecture and component communication of the VMware digital workspace. This medium difficulty area needs about 12 hours of study and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment formats. You will identify UEM and access architectural components, understand communication flows such as AWCM and API interactions, and learn the roles of cloud, on-premises, and hybrid deployments. The role of Unified Access Gateway is explained along with modern management fundamentals like UEM concepts, Intelligent Hub, Identity Integration, Zero Trust benefits, and platform differences. Troubleshooting and repairing is 15% and concentrates on identifying and resolving issues across the Workspace 1 environment. This is a hard domain with roughly 15 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. You will practice collecting and analyzing console and service logs, diagnosing enrollment errors from device-side logs, and reviewing access sync and authentication logs. The domain also covers endpoint troubleshooting such as profile failures, application deployment problems, email delivery through SEG, user synchronization issues, cloud connector connectivity, and certificate enrollment fixes. VMware Products and Solutions accounts for 12% and introduces the broader VMware Digital Workspace portfolio and productivity apps. This easy domain requires about 8 hours of study and includes conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will learn the features and use cases for VMware Boxer, Workspace 1 Web, and Workspace 1 Content, plus collaboration tools like Socialcast and Notes. The domain also explains Workspace 1 Intelligence and Analytics, covering data collection points, automation and reports, vulnerability management, and dashboard and custom report capabilities. Planning and designing is 7% and deals with deployment strategy and scalability for Workspace 1 solutions. This medium difficulty domain suggests about 10 hours of study and uses scenario-based assessments. You will determine hardware requirements by device count, plan for high availability and disaster recovery, identify network and firewall needs, and select SaaS or on-prem deployment models. The domain also covers organizational group structures for multi-tenancy and design considerations for scale and manageability. Performance tuning, optimization, and upgrades is 5% and focuses on keeping the environment healthy and current with updates. This hard domain requires about 6 hours of study and combines hands-on and conceptual assessments. You will learn the correct upgrade order for Workspace 1 components, perform database optimization and maintenance, monitor system health with the Health Check dashboard, and validate functionality after upgrades. The domain also includes upgrading on-prem components like the AirWatch Cloud Connector and routine system maintenance tasks. You are now familiar with each domain, its weight, focus, difficulty, and study time. Use this breakdown to prioritize study hours and practice scenarios, and good luck on the VMware Professional Workspace 1 Exam 2019.